What is up, everybody? It's Doug. I am here in Disa, Saudi Arabia, somewhere in the west of the country, kind of out in the middle of nowhere, but we're in a beautiful setting. And I'm here with my friend Luke in the back and Nader up here. And we're gonna be going into Wadi Disah today, which is a part of Saudi Arabia that you maybe haven't seen too much about, but from what I've seen on the internet, it looks absolutely beautiful and I'm super excited to discover it. So we're off into the Wadi. Yalla. Photo.
Photo with you.
Okay.
Yes.
السلام عليكم.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك؟
الحمد
طيبين.
لله.
وين هذا؟
أنا أمريكي.
اوكي ما شاء الله.
بريطاني.
بريطاني. نيوكاسل نيوكاسل.
Newcastle, yeah.
نيوكاسل.
Hello.
توتنهام. توتنهام.
كيف حالك؟
يلا.
واو.
مورينيو جيل. بديس جانا. This video وين؟
Yeah, video YouTube.
يوتيوب وين؟
أنا YouTuber.
يوتيوبر؟
Hey.
يس وين حصل؟
Call all your friends.
Go تعال. What's your name? يوتيوب. تعال نطلع باليوتيوب حقه. تعال فوتو with friend. نيوم.
هنا.
Subscribe.
Oh yes, subscribe, share.
Yeah, subscribe. Let's
Yeah.
go. You guys will be famous, inshallah.
إن شاء الله. Like, subscribe.
Okay.
بس يلا كمل احنا.
Yeah, get Luke.
يلا مدرينا. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have fun in the desert. So anyway, what we're doing here is we're just stopping off to get some snacks, I think, from the local grocery store. And then we're gonna be heading out into the Wadi. Check out the car we're in, by the way. We're riding in style. What is this, a Toyota? Friend! Some kind of a Toyota Jeep looking thing with the top off. It's pretty awesome. Oh my gosh! Look at this! No alcohol! Bye guys! Ma salama! Oh, there goes the front. Assalamu alaikum. Kif halik? We're just driving along and these guys kind of waved us down, I think, for coffee. So let's go over and say hello, see what's going on. Assalamu alaikum. Kif halik?
Ahlan.
Ahlan. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, shukran. Kahwa?
Chai.
Chai, huh? Alright guys, so we're just chilling here now. I'm kind of lounging, as the Saudis do, with the, you got the little square cushion here. You kind of just lean and lounge. It's quite nice. And I mean, I couldn't really come up with a better setting for it. You've just got these beautiful orange rocks and palm trees all around. And just chilling here on the soft sand. It's beautiful.
Go.
Come? Okay. Ooh, it's cold. Aha.
هذا علاج بطن 100.
Mia.
Yes.
Fruit?
Oh.
Check that out. He's pointing to this fruit up there. Ah. Mia.
Yes.
Siyara?
Yes.
Car?
Car.
Ah, okay. I'm learning some more Arabic.
Yes. هذه سيارة.
Shukran, habibi.
عفوا. هذا نخل.
Nakhal.
Yes.
Nakhal. What about date?
Yes. تمر.
Tamar.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. تمر. قهوة.
Kahwa? Yep. Oh, shukran. Thank you so much. Very, very hot. Whoa, I just burned my tongue on that. Very sweet, as always. All right, my Arabic teacher is calling us over here too. Wow.
هذا تمر.
Tamar.
جيب سيارة نشتري.
There is the tamar, or the dates in the tree, guys. Aha, I see what you're thinking.
Yes.
I think you want to bring the truck under here, stand up and grab some dates. Up? Okay. 1 second, don't drive. Thank you.
Yes.
Aha! Easy.
Yes. بس بعد.
Good?
Yes. بسم الله.
Bismillah. These ones are like
Go.
tougher, chewy, really good. Yeah. It's almost like caramel. It's weird. So good. Salad,
Yes.
Maghrib? No.
No. أصعب.
Asr. Yeah. Not sure what this is, guys.
Cool.
I think that might be food. It looks like a fruit or something. But really hard, obviously. Dom Arabi.
Yes.
This looks like wood.
كل بسم الله.
He just said Bismillah, which is what they say before you eat something, and told me to eat this. It's like hard as a rock. Okay. It's really hard. I don't know if I can, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Go.
Okay.
What is it?
It tastes vaguely like bread, actually, like weedy kind of. What is it?
Dob.
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 Well, that's what it is in Arabic. Oh, my teeth hurt. From the palm tree?
هذا بطن 100.
Ah, good for the stomach.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. All right, Luke, your turn.
هذا بطن كله نقطة.
What do you think?
Yes. دوا.
Tastes like something else.
Yeah.
I can't think what it is.
It's something like
It's
branny
like-
or
Caramelly.
yeah, there's some kind of. So I think it's the seed from the palm tree.
I quite like it.
It's all yours, man. Yeah, it tastes pretty good actually. I was kind of surprised when he just handed that to me and said, Bismillah. I thought he was gonna crack open that outer part and there'd be like a soft little center or something that you would eat. But no, that was it. Okay guys, we've switched cars and we've switched guides, so Nader, Masalama. Okay. Who do we have here? Shismak. Mishal. And Abdulaziz. Huh? Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Mishal and Abdulaziz. Yalla! Yalla, yalla. Here we go. Further into the wadi. It's pretty deep water. All right. Woohoo! I think he thinks the foreigners getting whacked by the bushes are pretty funny up there. Oh, it was worth it though, because look at this. This is nuts. We're going deeper and deeper into the wadi here. The paths are getting narrower, very, very, very tall grass or reeds. I don't know what you would call them. And man, we're going through some pretty deep water too. Empty. All right, here we're going into the cave. Look at the color up there. This is like a normal tan rock. That is like a dark orange red. It's insane. Oh. Ah. Doing more hiking in flip-flops. I'm falling. Oh, shukran. Okay. You make it look so easy. Alrighty, we've stopped for a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can throw the drone up there, get some cool shots of this beautiful place. Here we go. Yalla. Hey guys, while we're here in this amazing place, I want to tell you real quick about a project that I've been working on with a company called Pack. If you've ever seen one of these videos where I'm in a beautiful, amazing place like this with an awesome tour guide, or say you watched my Egypt video and saw me eating at a really good restaurant or staying at a cool hostel, and you ever wanted to replicate that, well now you can by visiting my page on Pack. I have all of my favorite experiences from Saudi Arabia, from Egypt, from Baku, Azerbaijan. You can find all of my recommendations for hotels, restaurants, and tours from all of the things you've seen in my videos on my Pack page. And if you book a tour or a hotel through my page, I will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you, so it really helps me out and helps me to continue creating these videos. When you see the recommendations on my Pack page, you will know that they are 100% Doug approved. They're things that I genuinely recommend and that I've had great experiences with. Lastly, if you are a travel content creator like me and you are interested in getting your own page set up on Pack to recommend your favorites to all of your viewers, you can check out the link in the description below and use my unique referral code to sign up for Pack today. You're gonna love it. I have really enjoyed it, and I want to say thanks to Pack for sponsoring this video. Alrighty, now let's go explore more of Wadi Disah. We keep stopping and our guides have tried to give us a lot of information, but they have far too much faith in my Arabic ability, so I'm not getting a whole lot of it. But something here is important for hunting, I think, right?
Yes.
هنا.
هنا عشان ما في طريق من المكان هذا للطريق هذا.
أها.
أنت مجبور إنك تمشي من الطريق هذا. وأنت جاي من هنا هم يكون هناك فوق.
Up top.
أيوه.
Okay, so if anyone understands that, please let me know what he said. Huh?
كمين.
Okay. Shukran. Habibi.
عفواً حبيبي.
So yeah, please let me know, because I'm really interested. I guess I won't know for a couple weeks until I post this video, but I'm still interested. Luke's got the drone up there. He's working very hard, concentrating. And by the way, thank you, Luke, because I think we're gonna share drone footage, and I'm sure I'll be using a lot more of his than he'll be using of mine. So if you like the drone footage, give a thumbs up to the video for Luke. I'll tell him you guys liked it. Oh boy. Oh boy. You going all the way up? I'm gonna try to go up this very steep, rock. There we go. Oh. Shukran. Oh. Just crouched on the edge of the rock here. Here he goes. Mm-hmm. Like that. Okay. Okay. شوية شوية, little by little. حبة حبة. Okay. That's the worst of it. somewhere here. And our two guides stopped for the evening sunset prayer, which is called Maghrib. It's pretty cool. That was amazing because it's just Luke and me out here with our two guides. So it was just them praying and us watching from the car. But even though it's just the two of them, one of our guides, Abdulaziz, did the call to prayer just here out in the mountains. And I asked him if he was a muezzin, which is the guy that does it usually in the mosque, and he said yes. Pretty amazing. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera. Alrighty guys, I want to give a huge thank you to Ayun Al Disa, our tour company for this trip to Wadi Disah. They were super accommodating and helped us out at the last minute when I texted them earlier today to give us this amazing tour and amazing experience, because for me this was a place in Saudi Arabia that is not to be missed. If you're wondering about the light, I'm crouched in front of a single headlight, by the way. But anyway, huge thank you to them. I'm gonna put the link to their website or however else you can contact them in the description below, so check it out. If you come to Saudi Arabia, call them up. Alrighty guys, I have made it back here to Duba, Saudi Arabia on the Red Sea coast. Not a ton to do here, but it is very close to Wadi Disah where we were today, about an hour-and-a-half drive, so that makes it totally worth it to come here and visit Wadi Disah. That's gonna finish it up for this video. Follow along with me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, all that good stuff if you're not already. And if you're enjoying these videos, please do consider subscribing to the channel because it really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.